How to make more money as a remote nurse, best side hustles and career moves. Remote nursing is great, but let's be real. It doesn't always pay as much as we'd like. Whether you want to boost your income, pay off debt faster, or just have a financial cushion, today we're talking about the best ways remote nurses can make extra money without burning out. 1. Negotiate a higher salary in your current job. The easiest way to increase your income? Ask for a raise. Many nurses assume remote jobs have fixed salaries, but that's not true. How to negotiate effectively. Do your research, check sites like Glassdoor and Indeed to compare your salary with industry averages. Highlight your impact. Show how you've improved efficiency, trained others, or handled complex cases. Time it right. The best time to ask is after a successful project, a performance review, or when your workload increases. Many companies expect employees to negotiate, so if you're not asking, you could be leaving thousands on the table. To pick up freelance or contract work, freelancing is one of the best ways to make extra money on your terms without committing to another full-time job. As a remote nurse, you already have skills that are in high demand. Best freelance opportunities for nurses: medical writing and blogging. Healthcare websites pay nurses well for writing articles, patient education materials, and blog posts. Try sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or direct response jobs. Telehealth consulting. Many companies hire nurses part-time for second opinions, patient education, or chronic disease coaching. Utilization review or case management contract roles. If you're already in these fields, look for freelance contracts on LinkedIn or job boards. Nursing education and tutoring. If you're great at explaining medical concepts, help nursing students online through platforms like Wyzant, TutorMe, or Nurse.com. Freelance work lets you set your own hours and increase your income without leaving your current job. Start a digital product business for nurses. If you're looking for passive income, digital products are a great way to make money while you sleep. Best digital products for nurses: nursing cheat sheets and study guides. Nursing students love quick reference materials for exams and clinicals. Planner templates for nurses and shift schedule planners, self-care journals, or clinical report sheets sell well on Etsy or Gumroad. Ebooks or mini courses. If you have expertise in appeals nursing, telehealth, or work from home strategies, you can sell your knowledge through a short ebook or video course. Custom care plans and documentation templates. Many nurses struggle with documentation. If you create time-saving templates, you can sell them to other nurses. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or WordPress with WooCommerce make it easy to set up a low-maintenance business. And get certified in a high-paying niche. Sometimes the best way to earn more is by specializing in a high-demand area. Best certifications for higher pay in remote nursing: Certified Case Manager, CCM. Many remote case management jobs pay significantly more for CCM certified nurses. Certified Legal Nurse Consultant, CLNC. If you have experience reviewing cases, this certification lets you work with attorneys on medical legal cases. Certified Professional in Healthcare Quality, CPHQ. Perfect for nurses interested in quality improvement roles. Medical Coding and Billing Certification, CPC, CCS. If you like working with data and reimbursement, medical coding jobs can pay very well. Many of these certifications lead to higher salaries and more job opportunities. Invest in affiliate marketing for healthcare products. Affiliate marketing is a great passive income option if you're already active on social media, blogging, or YouTube. How it works. You recommend nursing-related products like scrubs, stethoscopes, time management tools, or online courses. You get a commission every time someone buys through your link. You can share your links in blog posts, YouTube videos, Instagram, or TikTok. Best affiliate programs for nurses: Amazon Associates. Earn commissions on nursing essentials and books. Scrub brands: Figs, Cherokee, etc. Many scrub companies offer referral programs. Nursing CEU providers promote continuing education courses for nurses. Health and wellness brands, products like compression socks, ergonomic chairs, or meal prep services can work well. If you already share recommendations with coworkers or friends, this is an easy way to monetize your knowledge. Start a YouTube or TikTok channel for nurses. Video content is growing fast, and nursing related content is in demand. If you like teaching, sharing tips, or talking about your experience, YouTube or TikTok can become a great side income stream. Best content ideas for nurses. Day in the life of a remote nurse. Show what working from home is really like. Nursing career advice. Help other nurses transition into remote work. Self-care and burnout prevention. Many nurses struggle with stress and work-life balance. AI and nursing jobs. Explain how technology is changing the industry. YouTube pays through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. TikTok creators can also monetize through brand deals and digital product sales. Teacher consult on remote nursing. If you've been working remotely for a while, you already have valuable knowledge that newer nurses need. Ways to make money teaching. Offer one-on-one coaching for nurses who want to transition into remote work. Create a mini course on how to land remote nursing jobs. Host paid webinars or workshops on job searching, resumes, and interview prep. Sell templates and guides for remote nursing job applications. You don't need to be an expert, just one step ahead of someone else. If you've successfully landed a remote nursing job, there's a market for your advice. Final thoughts. Which side hustle is right for you? You don't have to choose just one. Many remote nurses combine multiple streams of income to create financial stability and freedom. If you need fast cash, look for freelance medical writing, contract telehealth, or affiliate marketing. If you want passive income, try digital products, blogging, or YouTube. If you want long-term career growth, get certified in a high-paying specialty. The key to making more money as a remote nurse? Start now. Even small steps can lead to big financial gains over time. Which side hustle are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss tips on remote nursing, side hustles, and career growth. See you in the next video.